Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have a certain requirement, like you have to call your AgentForce agent using the Apex, how you will do this? So, in this video, I will cover this scenario. So here, you need to define one variable that is your user prompt. As when you interact with the AgentForce agent, you need to pass prompt like what action we want to perform. So here I will define a variable with a user message. Hi, please send emails to the eligible candidates. Suppose this is a prompt we are passing to the AgentForce agent and we are calling agent in the backend. So we have defined this user message. Second thing, we have to define the agent API name. So here I am passing agent API name. So how you can pass this agent API name? Go to the setup, open the agent and copy this API name and paste this in the agent API name. Semicolon. After this, you have to define the class which is a invocable action class. Invocable dot action. This is a class defined in Salesforce. Why we are using this? Because when you are calling an invocable action, so through this class you can call the invocable actions. So here I am defining a object action equal invocable dot action dot its create custom action method, where we are passing value like generate AI agent response. This is a name defined by the Salesforce, so it must be same. Here we are defining the agent API name. Like if we are calling our AgentForce agent, so which agent we are calling? So that's name we have to define here. That's why if you have certain different kinds of agent available, so you can select as per your use case. After this, you have to set the invocation parameters. Why? Because when you're calling an agent, you have to pass this prompt to the agent so that AgentForce agent can understand like what action I have to do. So I will use set invocation parameter. Here I will use user message as a key and pass its value user message. After this, we will invoke the AgentForce agent by using the invoke method. This invoke method basically returns a list of invocable.action.result. So we will store this value into the list, which is a type of invocable.action.result. And we will store its value with the variable name I am here giving as a results. So technically it is giving a list, but as we are getting a response, so we can extract this value. How? Like we can store its result from the zeroth index value, because it is providing only one response. So we will store the type as a invocable action dot result. After this, we will check like condition if we are getting the response successfully or not. For this, I am checking condition like for this variable res dot is success. If it is successfully run and getting the response, so we will extract the response in a string format. It depends on you, like in which format you want to extract the response. So here I am fetching response with the get output parameter. Get output parameters is a method which is returns the map of the output values. So here we have a one key which is a agent response. So if we want to fetch the agent response value, we can use this output parameter method and get the agent response. So I am storing this value in a string which is a agent response and casting this parameter to the string. So I hope now you have better understanding like how we can call AgentForce agent through the Apex and why we are using such classes and methods and what is the purpose of those methods and classes. Here you can see there is one error where what I am getting here because I just forgot to add the comma. If you add this and save this code, you will not get any error. And for your reference, I am adding this slide to use further this code. And if you like this video, do like, subscribe and follow for more such kind of video. Thank you. Bye bye.